Hey, hello. Just wanted to do this quick demo. This morning we have a meeting, very productive meeting with Washi and everybody. So there's a big topic coming up. Is about how to configure the port group on the EXXI that is on the management node, and how to create that port group, and using that port group create a vNIC and add that vNIC to the VMDM. I think we already have the piece creating port group, because when we install VSSI, we ask people to enter the VLAN ID and the port group name to create. So we have that, but it's okay, because Yogi and Vikram, they say no. I guess this must be reason, and I support that reason. But anyway, in this demo, I'll give the whole thing from creating port group with the VLAN ID and add the virtual interface to the VM. So here we go. On the screen here, this is our network. You don't see, I will create a VLAN called UCP_fun. I was thinking about just fun, but if using just the fun, this name, and any admin saw the vSphere environment has a VLAN called fun, I would delete it right away. So I'll call it UCP_fun. And I will using my own VM. You see that on my VM right now only have one network interface, right? So here is my VM, my Sentinel Experiment 138, so IPADDRE, something like that. Yeah, so you can see that this is my only one interface here. And do ls. This is the only script I have here. To run this script is a PowerShell. I already installed in the email. I'll just give you the instruction how to install the PowerShell and PowerCLI. So I'm using PowerShell -f the file. To run this file is the PowerShell scripting. What I need is just the host, which is the ESXi running on the management nodes in the real environment, but in our lab environment is our ESXi 37164, and the password to get in, the root password to get in, because I need to do a lot of work to create VLANs. All the stuff need to have the root password, and the VLAN ID for the fun, the UCP fun. So that's all I need to pass all this information to the script. Let's hit enter. So now you log in first. You will connect to the server. Now connect as a root, and now start to do that. You're looking for the fun and create that, and assign the 777 ID to that. Now it's like to the virtual machine, add the interface. Okay, this is all done. We'll go back here, take a look to the VLAN. It's here right now. I even have one active port, right, and one VM already attached to it, and the ID is 77. I go back to my, and automatically added the fun here. Okay, let's say it's not there, but next time around the customer decided, I just want to change as I expand, I want to do a second time firmware update. And remember that on the VMDM, which is my VM, already have the second interface in there, right? So, but this time they say, 77 has already been used, we'll just do 123. So they want to do the same thing, upgrade the server. So this time the script will look at the second interface out there and then will not change it, but just simply change the networking information. So log in, same again, root. And now just 777 found it, and you see all the switches there, and it's all fine. So go back to my, let me refresh it. The best way to refresh it is to go here, take a look at network first. Remember it was 77, now it's a 123, you change. And on the VM, I'm still having that fun is still connected. So as I say, it's not that big of a deal. Actually we have it here. We can decide not to automate it and do documentation, but either way, I talked to Yogi about that too, right? Either do automation or do documentation is still cost us time. If you're doing documentation, mainly will be me interfacing with Dana to do the documentation. But the risk of doing documentation is a lot of human mistake follow documentation. But we automate it, we have full control. So anyway, thanks a lot. Thanks for watching. Talk to you next time.